Look at that water rushing in. So I might get a bite right here in this area. Boy, that water rushing hard. I like this. Have no idea. It ain't been raining. But I like what I'm looking at. So I'll probably get a bite right in here, you guys. Bass probably. Maybe a crappie. About 12 o'clock. Maybe. There we go. Told you, I knew it. Just walked over. Nice little bass too. Boy, I've been fishing too long, man. I know. I kind of know what I'm talking about here. Just walked down on my lunch. If I get a big one, I'm about to reach down and get it, but I didn't bring anything to get this rattle trap out, so I gotta be careful. And see what they'll do. So what they'll do is they'll swipe at that rattle trap and get themselves hooked. See, the rattle trap got them in here. All right. Got it loose. There you go. First little bass. Just walked over here, literally, and got a bass in that rushing water. It'll be crappies in there too. The other side, how they're rushing over there by that pipe. Oh, you catch some good old fishing. That's my favorite side on that side over there. And tossing out in this middle. There he is, he's gone. I don't get too close to that edge. I fell in that side before. So you see I got this split shot up here. Got the water kind of rough, and that split shot to get this thing on down. All right, so decided to come to this other side. About 12, 15. I'm gonna cast out. This side is a little bit cleaner. Not a little bit, a lot of bit. Then over there, man. I should get something in here. Look at that water just rushing. Okay, there we go. Hold on. There we go. It's clean too, boy. There we go, you guys. See that? As soon as I dropped in there, nice bass. And I mean a nice one. So, I'm just giving you guys some clues of how to fish that rushing water. Let me go over here. I don't want it to flop on me and hook me. All right. There we go. Another little bass. Maybe I'll get a 5-man limit right quick. 8 miles is solid. I just left my truck and don't know why I did not bring those pliers. I might walk back and get them for this reason right here. There we go. There we go. Nice little bass, you guys. Bass number 2. Lunch break fishing. Lunch break fishing, you guys. All right, let's try right here again. There we go, you guys. Got another one. Right in that water, you guys, like I be saying. Yeah. Bass number 3. Rider trap fishing. On lunch break. Rider trap fishing. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. You're not gonna hook me. Calm down. I'd be crazy. I'd be dang if you're gonna hook me. Bass number 3. Bass number 3. They all about the same size. You got here early in the morning, you catch some 4 5-pounders. Maybe a trophy 10-pound. These are the last ones to eat. They'll hang around all day. Got the big boys on the 8. All right. Right when they get in that water. Just like if you were fishing a spillway for stripers and stuff. Let's see if we can get another one. Now we're gonna go with the one that looks like a mental. There we go. Might throw that orange on it too, or chartreuse. Here you go, you guys. So that's a natural color right there. Looks like a minnow. Got a little chrome blade like a shad. And to give it a little flash. And I put the weight up a little bit. Got a big weight on it. Put the weight up about 8 inches. And then just toss out. Bring it on back. Bass number 4. He little babish guy. Oh, he get to go back in an easy release. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's lunchtime fishing right there. Got 4 bass. I was trying to get a 1-man limit with 5. I gotta get back to work, but that was pretty fun. 12 noon to 1. catching bass, so they'll probably bite pretty good early in the morning time or in the evenings, right in that area. You guys have a great one.